You idiot. We could have been us. You go too fast for me, Crowley.
This is the last song I'll write about you.
这首曲子叫什么名字？你不走了吗？
I need to move on. I think you do too.
我有一个秘密，
You were all that I wanted. You know that you still are. 'Cause I've been alright, yeah, but you
I can't lose you now. I can't lose you either.
I know that we're changing, but nothing feels different. I'm
What could possibly make you nervous?
You think you like Lucas? How can you not like him? Of course I like you.
打算为我去马修。
약속.
내가 있으니.
I won't disappear again.
One day you will. I wish this would go on forever. I'm not ready to let you go yet.
就没有其他人能入得了你法眼。
没有，永远也不会有。 보고 싶었어.
사랑은 내가 어디 있든지. 사랑해. You're like the best person I've ever met.
You're one of the greatest people I've ever known.
She's basically the definition of impossible.
I want to tell you everything.
I'd like that brochure if you wished.
希望有人可以陪他，希望那个人是我。
I thought I knew everything there was to know about love. But then I met you.
对不起，谢谢你。我曾经把你当作我毕生知己，现在仍是。
I forgive you. I forgive you. Don't bother.
Locksmith.